Welcome to this video on DM, which stands for direct message. A direct message is a private form of communication between users on digital platforms and social media. It allows you to send messages that are visible only to you and the person you're messaging. Unlike public posts or comments, direct messages provide a personal and confidential way to connect with others. Direct messages have 4 key features. First, privacy. Messages are visible only to the sender and recipient, keeping conversations confidential. Second, immediacy. Messages are delivered in real time or near instantly, allowing for quick conversations. Third, multi-format support. You can send text, images, files, and videos in direct messages. Fourth, flexibility. You can have one-on-one conversations or include multiple people in group direct messages. There are several important benefits of direct messaging. It enables personalization by creating one-on-one conversations that build stronger relationships. It provides quick support for customer service and problem resolution. It allows for targeted engagement through direct marketing opportunities and promotions. And it builds trust by fostering confidential discussions that increase brand loyalty and customer retention. However, direct messaging also comes with challenges. Spam and abuse are common issues, with unsolicited messages and automated spam content flooding inboxes. There can be context loss, since information shared in direct messages is restricted to participants only, so teams lose visibility. Privacy and security concerns exist regarding data protection and monitoring requirements. Additionally, platforms enforce rate limiting with hourly and daily message limits to prevent spam. Many platforms offer direct messaging features. WhatsApp provides text, media, voice calls, and business messaging. Facebook Messenger integrates with social media and includes chatbots for support. X, formerly Twitter, allows private conversations alongside public tweets. Instagram enables visual content sharing and video calls. Telegram offers channels, groups, encryption, and file sharing. Slack is designed for enterprise collaboration with channels and bot integrations. Here are some important statistics about messaging. There are 5.56 billion internet users globally. 5.24 billion are social media users who use messaging features. The open rate for SMS and text messages is 98%. 84% of consumers opt in to receive business text messages. 83% of people prefer texting over email or phone calls. And over 1 billion RCS messages are sent daily just in the United States. Today's direct messaging trends include AI chatbots and automation providing 24/7 customer support with intelligent responses. Hyperpersonalization uses artificial intelligence to create content tailored to individual users. Privacy compliance focuses on GDPR, CCPA regulations, and end-to-end encryption adoption. RCS expansion is replacing traditional SMS with rich media messaging globally. And omnichannel integration creates seamless messaging across multiple platforms. Looking ahead, direct messaging will continue to evolve. Advanced AI integration will enable sentiment analysis, emotion detection, and predictive engagement. Video messaging will feature live video, shoppable content, and real-time interactions. Blockchain security will provide decentralized authentication and immutable message records. Unified platforms will integrate all channels into a single communication hub. IoT integration will connect smart devices and connected ecosystems for messaging. And sustainable messaging will emphasize eco-friendly practices and responsible data management.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.